Tired of cluttered counters and messy cabinets? The right tools can change everything. Today we're exploring 20 smart kitchen organizer gadgets on Amazon. Clever, practical solutions that maximize space, boost efficiency, and keep your cooking area tidy. From drawer dividers and rack systems to innovative storage accessories, these picks help you save time and make meal prep more enjoyable. Stick around, because by the end, you'll want at least a few of these in your kitchen. Number 1. YouCopia RollDown Egg Dispenser. The YouCopia RollDown Egg Dispenser is a pure genius organizational tool for your refrigerator. This professional-grade, high-utility gadget features a gravity-fed design that makes egg retrieval entirely effortless while maximizing vertical space. It's a genius survival accessory for busy kitchens, ensuring your oldest eggs are used first through a smart rolling system. This top-ranking Amazon find ensures your fridge stays professional and organized, providing high-quality storage in a sleek, compact frame. Number 2. StoveShelf Kitchen Stove. The StoveShelf is a pure genius, high-utility tool for reclaiming wasted space above your range. This professional-grade magnetic shelf attaches to your stove effortlessly, providing a stable surface for spices and oils. It's a genius organizational tool that requires no drilling or installation, making it a survival essential for small kitchens. This top-ranking Amazon find ensures your cooking area is professional and organized, providing high-quality convenience and a clean, modern look. Number 3. YouCopia Expandable Cookware Rack. The YouCopia Expandable Cookware Rack is a pure genius organizational tool for unruly cabinets. This professional-grade, high-utility rack features adjustable dividers that make storing pans and lids entirely effortless. It's a genius survival accessory for preventing scratches and clutter, expanding to fit your specific storage needs. This top-ranking Amazon find ensures your cupboards stay professional and organized, providing high-quality protection for your cookware and making it easy to find what you need. Number 4. Joseph DrawerStore. The Joseph DrawerStore is a pure genius, high-utility tool for cutlery management. This professional-grade, compact organizer features stacked compartments that make sorting silverware entirely effortless while saving massive drawer space. It's a genius organizational tool that fits even the narrowest drawers, providing a clean and efficient layout. This top-ranking Amazon find ensures your kitchen remains professional and organized, providing high-quality storage that turns a cluttered mess into a streamlined workspace. Number 5. YouCopia WrapStand. The YouCopia WrapStand is a pure genius organizational tool for boxes of foil and plastic wrap. This professional-grade, high-utility stand features adjustable wire holders that make box retrieval entirely effortless. It's a genius survival accessory for pantries, keeping different-sized boxes organized and accessible in a vertical layout. This top-ranking Amazon find ensures your storage area is professional and organized, providing high-quality utility that clears up cluttered drawers and keeps your essentials within reach. Number 6. YouCopia StoraBag. The YouCopia StoraBag is a pure genius, high-utility tool for organizing food storage bags. This professional-grade dispenser holds gallon, quart, and sandwich bags in one sleek unit, making bag retrieval entirely effortless. It's a genius organizational tool for drawers or cabinets, eliminating bulky cardboard boxes. This top-ranking Amazon find ensures your kitchen is professional and organized, providing high-quality storage and a clean look that simplifies your daily lunch prep and food storage routine. Number 7. Vtopmart Airtight Food Storage. The Vtopmart Airtight containers are a pure genius, high-utility tool for pantry preservation. These professional-grade, stackable containers feature a silicone seal that makes keeping food fresh entirely effortless. It's a genius organizational set for flour, sugar, and snacks, allowing you to see your inventory at a glance. This top-ranking Amazon find ensures your pantry remains professional and organized, providing high-quality storage and a uniform, clean aesthetic that maximizes every inch of shelf space. Number 8. REALINN Under Sink Organizer. The REALINN Under Sink Organizer is a pure genius, high-utility tool for deep cabinet management. This professional-grade sliding rack makes reaching cleaning supplies entirely effortless, even in the very back. It's a genius organizational tool that utilizes vertical space around plumbing fixtures. This top-ranking Amazon find ensures your under-sink area stays professional and organized, providing high-quality durability and two-tier storage that turns a dark, messy corner into a perfectly sorted space. Number 9. YouCopia Spice Rack Drawer. The YouCopia Spice Rack Drawer is a pure genius organizational tool for spice enthusiasts. This professional-grade, high-utility rack features a drop-down design that makes finding your favorite seasonings entirely effortless. It's a genius survival accessory for eye-level cabinets, bringing your spices down to you for better visibility. This top-ranking Amazon find ensures your spices stay professional and organized, providing high-quality storage that eliminates the need to dig through cluttered shelves during meal preparation. Number 10. YouCopia StoraLid Container. The YouCopia StoraLid is a pure genius, high-utility tool for managing food container lids. This professional-grade organizer features adjustable dividers that make sorting lids by size entirely effortless. It's a genius organizational accessory that fits in cabinets or deep drawers, ending the frustration of lost lids. This top-ranking Amazon find ensures your plasticware stays professional and organized, providing high-quality utility that brings order to one of the most cluttered areas in any kitchen. Number 11. VITEVER Magnetic Spice Rack. The VITEVER Magnetic Spice Rack is a pure genius, high-utility tool for fridge-side storage. These professional-grade shelves attach to any magnetic surface effortlessly, providing extra space for spices and oils without using counter space. It's a genius organizational tool for apartments or small kitchens, offering a heavy-duty hold. This top-ranking Amazon find ensures your kitchen is professional and organized, providing high-quality storage that keeps your most used items exactly where you need them. Number 12. SAYZH Fruit Vegetable Basket. The SAYZH Fruit Vegetable Basket is a pure genius, high-utility tool for countertop produce storage. This professional-grade tiered basket system makes organizing your fruits and vegetables entirely effortless. It's a genius organizational tool that encourages healthy snacking by keeping produce visible and well-ventilated. And this top-ranking Amazon find ensures your kitchen counters stay professional and organized, providing high-quality durability and a stylish design that clears up space while keeping your kitchen essentials fresh. Number 13. Glideware 7-Hook Pan Organizer. The Glideware Pan Organizer is a pure genius, high-utility tool for heavy cookware management. This professional-grade pull-out system features 7 sturdy hooks that make retrieving cast iron or pans entirely effortless. It's a genius organizational tool that mounts inside your cabinet, allowing pans to hang without clanking. This top-ranking Amazon find ensures your storage is professional and organized, providing high-quality accessibility and a heavy-duty glide that makes managing your cookware a breeze. Number 14. Cuisinel Silicone Skillet Rack. The Cuisinel Silicone Skillet Rack is a pure genius organizational tool for cast iron lovers. This professional-grade, high-utility rack features silicone-protected tiers that make stacking pans entirely effortless and scratch-free. It's a genius survival accessory for heavy skillets, offering vertical or horizontal storage options. This top-ranking Amazon find ensures your cabinets stay professional and organized, providing high-quality protection for your cookware and making it easy to grab exactly the pan you need for dinner. Number 15. CLEANCLUE Pots and Pans. Organizer, the CLEANCLUE Pots and Pans. Organizer is a pure genius, high-utility tool for customizable cabinet storage. This professional-grade rack features adjustable tiers that make fitting large pots and lids entirely effortless. It's a genius organizational accessory that can be used vertically or horizontally depending on your space. This top-ranking Amazon find ensures your kitchen storage is professional and organized, providing high-quality stability and a heavy-duty frame that can handle your heaviest kitchen gear. Number 16. HOSHANHO Magnetic Knife Block. The HOSHANHO Magnetic Knife Block is a pure genius, high-utility tool for blade safety and storage. This professional-grade wood-finished block uses powerful magnets to make knife access entirely effortless and visible. It's a genius organizational tool for your countertop, protecting your edges better than a traditional drawer. This top-ranking Amazon find ensures your kitchen workspace is professional and organized, providing high-quality display and a sleek, modern look that keeps your sharpest tools ready. Number 17. AmzAge Kitchen Storage Rack. The AmzAge Kitchen Storage Rack is a pure genius, high-utility tool for over-the-sink organization. This professional-grade rack provides space for dishes, soap, and sponges, making cleanup entirely effortless. It's a genius organizational tool for clearing up valuable counter space while allowing dishes to drip directly into the sink. This top-ranking Amazon find ensures your kitchen stays professional and organized, providing high-quality stainless steel construction and a massive storage capacity for all your washing essentials. Number 18. LAMU Pots and Pans Organizer. The LAMU Pots and Pans Organizer is a pure genius, high-utility tool for deep kitchen drawers. Yes, this professional-grade organizer features a pull-out design that makes accessing heavy cookware entirely effortless and organized. It's a genius survival accessory for busy cooks, providing smooth gliding action and sturdy dividers. This top-ranking Amazon find ensures your cabinets remain professional and organized, providing high-quality accessibility that prevents you from ever having to crouch and dig for a pan again. Number 19. PURAWOOD Kitchen Drawer Organizer. The PURAWOOD Drawer Organizer is a pure genius, high-utility tool for sustainable cutlery management. This professional-grade bamboo organizer features expandable sides that make fitting any drawer size entirely effortless. It's a genius organizational tool for sorting utensils, gadgets, and small kitchen tools. And this top-ranking Amazon find ensures your drawers are professional and organized, providing high-quality, eco-friendly storage and a beautiful, natural aesthetic that brings order to your most used kitchen storage area. Number 20. Hadriouzu Oversing Dish Drainer. The Hadriouzu Oversing Dish Drainer is a pure genius, high-utility tool for small space living. This professional-grade rack utilizes the empty space above your sink, making dish drying entirely effortless and space-saving. It's a genius organizational tool that includes holders for knives, cutting boards, and soap. This top-ranking Amazon find ensures your kitchen counters stay professional and organized, providing high-quality durability and a functional design that keeps your most essential cleaning tools perfectly sorted. And that wraps up our countdown of the 20 smart kitchen organizers that are absolute game changers for your home. From reclaiming cabinet space to streamlining your meal prep, these 2026 essentials make kitchen management entirely effortless. Check the links below to shop these finds, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more home organization tips.